Good morning guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia V and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code which is *pound or £6. And as you can see here, you've got your IMEI number, so that's the quickest method. Tap on OK to exit, but also you can find IMEI via settings. So at first open list of all the apps, then find and select settings. Okay, so here they are. Now scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. And here, just tap on Status, where you will also be able to find IMEI number in the middle of the list. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.